Hi to everyone. Let's back to the same topic of the chapter name called Theory of Consumer Behavior and Demand Analysis. In last class, we have tried to understand the topic called budget line and the budget set, only the theoretical part. So today, by recalling the same topic, budget line and budget set, we'll try to exhibit the same thing with a graphical form and try to understand these two terms, budget line and budget set. Then we can lead into the today's discussion topic, the budget line and the set followed by the shifts in a new budget line. So coming to the topic, budget line. So as we know that the concept of consumer behavior is based on two issues. So one is the utility what he or she derives. Second one, the amount of the income what he or she possesses in their pocket. So the budget line is all about a graphical representation. We remember it's a graphical. It is a graphical. It's a graphical representation. It's not presentation, representation. Graphical representation of all possible combination. All possible combination of two goods which can be purchased within the given income and prices prevailing in the market. Prices prevailing in the market. The one thing you need to understand here is the budget line is all about how does a consumer within given level of income is ready to buy the goods. For example, when he has a n number of goods in the market, we'll take an example point there. How many goods means? Two goods. And here are two goods which helps us to understand how best a combination a consumer can make. More of one leads less of another. He cannot buy more of both the goods at the same time within the given level of income and the prices which are there in the market, present prices. Then he'll start comparing. Within that he'll make n number of combination, and that the combination whatever if he try to put in a graphical way, then that the line is called which line? Budget line. And in that budget line we need to understand the next term is called budget set. Budget set is all about all possible combination of two goods, the available bundles which are there in the hands of consumer. Available bundles. So in order to understand this bundle, you need to understand a particular chart. From that chart, you will try to understand the concept of how this budget line and the bundles will affect to this level. Okay. Now let's focus on the chart which you are going to understand. So assume a consumer has an income of rupees 20 in his pocket. Then as we have taken already two examples, two goods like X good and Y good. For example purpose we will take two goods called apple and banana. And assumed as apple is a worth of rupees 4 and banana assume it's a worth of rupees 2. In reality the prices are different, don't compare with the present prices. Now coming to this, when a consumer has a income, Y indicates your income, okay. So the income, within this income he has to plan how much he can buy, okay. For example, if you go by like combination called E, you can take any of it, you will let's take E. Then by having 20 rupee, if you want to spend entire 20 rupee only on this X good, that is on an apple, then how many he can buy? For example, each apple cost of rupees 4, then if he spent entire 20 rupees on apple, then how much he can buy? It seems to be exactly equivalent to 20 money income of a consumer. At the same time, when he spent entire money only on apple, can he have a money to spend on to buy the banana? Means even though it is a 2 rupee, he can buy only the zero amount of a banana. It's a zero. then the money income you can spend up to 20 rupee. But if you are not satisfied with the zero amount of banana, if you want to increase one more unit of banana, he has to sacrifice some units of apple. In such case, he can go by another combination called F, where each costing rupee is 4. He can buy 4. Then that leads 16 rupee. Then out of the 20 rupee, when he spent entire 16 rupees only on apple, then remaining 4 rupee lies in his hand. He can go by buying of 2 more banana, where he has in the last combination he has got only 0 amount of banana. Then that leads 4 rupee. Now you add up these 16 and 4, then that leads 20. Are you clear? Now coming to the EF, then you go by G. Likewise, you may decrease 1 unit of apple, then increase some units of banana, but you cannot buy more of both the goods. In such case, in 4 into you go by the 3, then the 12 rupee can spend, the remaining 8 rupee where you can buy at the 2 rupee cost of banana into 4 number, then that leads 8 rupee can spend on a banana. Likewise, the combination will lead, then that again equivalent to the money income of a consumer, what he puts in his pocket. Now, if you go by the another combination, and these are called as bundles. In each bundle, there is a different combination. The next combination is that, likewise, 4 rupee, that leads 8 rupee. Then he has still 12 rupee in his pocket. Then he can spend that 12 rupee on buying of 6 units of banana, that leads in 12. Then again that is an equivalent to money income of a consumer. Then then he can go by 1 unit, then he can buy 8 units of banana, that is again equivalent to 20. Then he has another combination where you can get 4 rupee of banana, 0 quantity of apple, then that leads 0 amount of apple, that's combination called X. Then he can buy 10 units of banana where he can spend the entire 20 rupee. Then that's again equivalent to 20. Now you can observe these are the combinations where you can observe. So E, F, G, H, I, J. These are the different bundles which are available to a consumer where you can buy within the given level of income. Then if you want to show cost the same thing, we can show cost through graphical form. So here it is. You take it consideration as a, so X axis indicates one good and Y axis indicates the another. Are we clear? So on X axis we used to represent the apple. You can take any of the good, but we have taken a two goods here called apple and a banana. And here on Y axis we used to represent banana. Are we clear? Then, so how much higher amount of banana he has consumed means 10 and the lowest is 0, and highest amount of apple is 5 and the lowest is 0. Now you can take here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maximum has took 5 units of apple. Then when you go by the banana, he has taken 10. So you can go by, so 2 difference, okay. Then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now, if you want to put a graphical form of how the budget line will arrive, then you go by 1 by 1. So when he has taken 5 units of apple, how many units of banana he has taken means 0. Then you can mark here 5 units of banana, this one apple, and 0 units of a banana. Then followed by, if you go by the another one like 4, 5 likewise, now you compare with the number of quantities a consumer has spent. Now when he has taken 4 apple, then how many units of banana he has taken in the sense, you can go by this level of 2. Okay. Now likewise, when he has taken 3, then go by 4. When he has taken 3, then you go by the 4 units. Clear? Then likewise, when he has taken the quantity, the simple here, the 2, then you go by the next one. The point is very simple here. The 2, then he has taken 6, then 2, then he has taken a 6, okay, then he has taken 1, then it leads 8, then when he has taken 1, it leads 8, when he has taken 0 units of apple, then 10 units of a banana here. Then the budget line will always slopes from left to right downwards. Then this the budget line stands as a AB line. And here we have our 4 points. First one is called A and B is known as a budget line, and this is a graphical representation of all possible combination of these two goods which can be purchased within the given level of rupees 20. And here we have the C point, which is also called as underspent money within the rupees 20. And we have another combination called D, which is unattainable combination. Unattainable combination. So where a consumer has a n number of combinations, within that combination he has to plan what he can buy. In such case, these are the different bundles where we can plot out. So E, F, G, H, I, then J. So these are all the combinations where we can use to put it as a budget asset. Are we clear? So in the next session we used to go by the different shifts in the budget line.